Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make xylitol candy. Xylitol is a fantastic sugar substitute, offering about 40% fewer calories than traditional sugar. To begin, gather your essential ingredients: xylitol, water, and your favorite flavorings. You might also want to include some food coloring to make your candies visually appealing. This process is straightforward and results in delicious, sugar-free treats for you to enjoy. Now, let's prepare the syrup. In a saucepan, combine 2 parts xylitol with 1 part water. For example, use 2 cups of xylitol and 1 cup of water. Heat this mixture gently over medium heat, stirring constantly until all the xylitol crystals have fully dissolved. Continue heating until the syrup reaches precisely 260 degrees Fahrenheit on a candy thermometer. This temperature is crucial for proper candy consistency. Once your syrup reaches the correct temperature, immediately remove it from the heat. This is the perfect moment to add your flavorings. Carefully stir in a few drops of your favorite extract, like peppermint or fruit, and any food coloring you desire. Work quickly, as the syrup will begin to cool. Then, pour the hot liquid into your silicone candy molds. Allow them to cool completely at room temperature until firm. After pouring, let your candies cool and harden for at least 1 hour, or until they are completely firm. Once solid, gently pop them out of their molds. To maintain their quality and prevent them from becoming sticky, store your delicious homemade xylitol candies in an airtight container. Keep the container in a cool, dry place. Remember, xylitol is toxic to pets, so always keep these treats out of their reach. Enjoy your sugar-free creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.